Let's take a look at Schedules 1 through 5. The 2001 regulations determine in what circumstances it is lawful to possess, supply, produce, export, and import controlled drugs. Schedule 1. Drugs belonging to this schedule are thought to have no therapeutic value and therefore cannot be lawfully possessed or prescribed. These include LSD and MDMA, ecstasy. Schedule 1 drugs may be used for the purposes of research, but a home office license is required. Schedules 2 and 3. The drugs in these schedules can be prescribed and therefore legally possessed and supplied by pharmacists and doctors. They can be possessed lawfully by anyone who has a prescription. It is an offence contrary to the 1971 Misuse of Drugs Act to possess any drug belonging to Schedule 2 or 3 without prescription or lawful authority. Examples of Schedule 2 drugs are methadone and diamorphine, more commonly known as heroin, and cannabis since November 2018. Schedule 3 drugs include Subutex, which is a brand name of buprenorphine, and most of the Barbiturate family. The difference between Schedule 2 and Schedule 3 drugs is limited to the application of the 2001 regulations concerning record keeping and storage requirements in respect of Schedule 2 drugs. Schedules 4.1 and 4.2. Schedule 4 was divided into two parts by the 2001 regulations, as amended by the Misuse of Drugs Amendment No. 2 Regulations 2012. Schedule 4.1 controls much of the benzodiazepines. Schedule 4.1 drugs can be lawfully possessed under prescription, otherwise possession is an offence under the 1971 Act. Schedule 4.2 drugs can be possessed as long as they are clearly for personal use. Drugs in this schedule can also be imported or exported for personal use where a person themselves carries out that importation or exportation. The most common example of Schedule 4.2 drugs are anabolic steroids. Schedule 5. Schedule 5 drugs are sold over the counter and can be legally possessed without a prescription.